In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to integrate 1 over 1 plus e to the x dx. Now, when I look at this integral here, it would be nice if we could follow one of these standard integration rules. And the one I'm thinking of is this one. If we take the function in the denominator and differentiate it and get the numerator, then the integral is simply log of the function plus our constant of integration. Now, when I compare it to this integral here, when I differentiate the denominator, I would get e to the x, but I don't have an e to the x in the numerator. So a little trick is to, well, let's pop one in. So we've got the integral of 1 plus e to the x. Well, I'll need to subtract an e to the x because I've added one, so we'll subtract one as well, all over 1 plus e to the x. And that's all with respect to x. Now I can actually split this into two fractions here. So I'm going to take this part here and write it as the integral of 1 plus e to the x over 1 plus e to the x minus e to the x over 1 plus e to the x. And that's all with respect to x. Now hopefully you can see we can actually cancel the numerator and denominator here to get the integral of 1 minus, and we can leave this as it is, 1 plus e to the x with respect to x. And the integral of 1, well, that's simple enough, that's just x. And now we have this form here. When we differentiate the denominator, we do get the numerator, e to the x. So the integral of this is simply log of the denominator, which is 1 plus e to the x, plus the constant of integration.